painful periods are called dysmenorrhea ಅಥವಾ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಮುಟ್ಟಾಗೋ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬ ಪೇನ್ ಬರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಈ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೇನ್ ವಿಚ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿತ್ ವಿಚ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡೈಲಿ ಚೋರ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುವಂಥದ್ದು ಅಥವಾ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಅಥವಾ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ವಿತ್ ಮಿನಿಮಲ್ ಏಡ್, that is still okay. If ever it is becoming problematic that you can't even sit, stand, walk, do your daily chores, it's better you consult your gynecologist and get it worked out. Yeah, menstrual pain most often occurs in case of hormonal disturbances. So always whenever you have this dysmenorrhea, painful periods, get an examination done, vaginal examination from your gynecologist and a basic ultrasound. If everything seems normal, it is taken as purely hormonal, no pathological conditions found. In that case, better you go for regular checkups so that you don't have any upcoming problems like that, and you can manage it through your lifestyle changes first, basically weight reduction, proper diet, sleep habits, de-stress yourself and exercises. All these things if you can manage with minimal painkillers, is it okay? Otherwise you need to go for proper medications for this dysmenorrhea. Yeah, that's what. In case if your general examination and an ultrasound shows no major abnormalities, if there are some pathological conditions found, if it is an ovarian cyst or endometriosis or a fibroid or adenomyosis, in that cases, yes, it definitely affects your fertility potential. Dysmenorrhea, if there are no pathological conditions, can be managed with plain painkillers only. If ever you find any pathological things, you have to go accordingly.